This video will demonstrate the pressure molding process for the Taglus Premium Sheets by using the Biostar Thermoforming Unit. Before you begin, be sure to block out all undercuts and voids on the model. Ensure that the model is completely dry. Start by turning the Biostar unit on. The red power button is located on the bottom right corner of the unit. Cut open the foil pouch and remove the Taglus Premium Sheet. Open the pressure chamber by taking off the locking ring. Place the Taglus Premium Sheet on the gasket of the pressure chamber. Do not remove the sheet's protective masking. Tighten the clamping frames by rotating the handle clockwise such that the sheets are secured well on all sides within the inner diameter. Enter the code according to the thickness of the sheet. Note, for optimal performance, the unit needs the operating pressure of 4.2 bar or above. To initiate the heating, swing the heating element over the clamped Taglus Premium Sheet. Place the model on the platform. Towards the end of the heating cycle, an audible beeping sound is heard, which lasts for 5 seconds. Now the sheet is ready to be formed and take the shape of the model. Move the heater back to its full rest position and immediately swing the pressure chamber over the model and lock it by moving the locking handle 180 degrees to the front. Avoid any delays in flipping, otherwise bubbles may appear on the sheet surface. You will notice that the cooling time begins as indicated on the display. At the end of the cooling phase, a series of short beeps will be heard. Release the pressure by pressing the air button to unlock the chamber and the clamping frame. Now swing open the pressure chamber. Remove the model and evaluate the appliance. Cut the excess with scissors. Remove the formed appliance and insert it back on its respective model to check the adaptation. You can now proceed with trimming and finishing of the appliance.